This module here deals with QuickParts, and QuickParts is something you've already used throughout the modules here in this Word 2007 tutorial. And to start this out, I'm going to switch over to a document that I've been working on from time to time, the Magna Carta here. And when we add things like bibliographies, or we add things like a cover page or table of contents, what we're grabbing is one of the QuickParts that Word 2007 comes with. And we do that not necessarily using this part, insert, and then we go to the text part, and the top button is QuickParts, but we can still access those QuickParts in lots of other places in the ribbon. So we start like this, QuickParts, and then we can add things from the building blocks organizer. The building blocks are kept in the QuickParts library or gallery. And so again, works cited, bibliography, all of those things that we add to documents that we can add in other places, as I said, have been gotten from this building blocks organizer. So there's cover pages, those are equations, and on down the list. And you can, of course, edit the properties of any particular building block that you want. Now then, what about stuff that you've already written that you want to now make part of Word 2007 as a QuickPart? Well, you can select it. You can save the selection now to the QuickPart gallery. And now you give it a title. So intro paragraph is what I'll call it. The gallery will be, again, QuickParts. There's lots of other places that this can be kept. Category is going to be general, and so on. Save in building blocks, and when we insert it, are we going to insert the content only, the content in its own paragraph, or the content in its own page? So we'll select the default, which is insert content only, and then click on OK. Now we've got that building block saved, and we can use it again in any document that we then work on. So I set my insertion point in another document. I go to the insert, and rather than retyping that text, rather than opening that document and maybe scrolling down to page 35 to grab that paragraph, I can go QuickParts, and this intro paragraph is saved to the QuickPart gallery, which will be right there. A click and bingo, it is in the document. I had a field in there which is causing this little message right here, so keep that in mind as you build those as well.